Are you tired of paying high electricity bills and relying on non-renewable energy sources? It's time to switch to solar power. In this video, we'll explore the numerous advantages of going solar and why it's a smart choice for a brighter future. Solar power is a clean and renewable energy source that can power your home, business or even an entire community. By harnessing the power of the sun, we can reduce our reliance on non-renewable energy sources and take a step towards a more sustainable future. Cost savings: by going solar, you can save thousands of dollars on your electricity bills. Solar power is a one-time investment that pays off for years to come. Environmentally friendly: solar power is a clean energy source that produces no harmful emissions. By using solar power, we can reduce our carbon footprint and help fight climate change. Energy independence: with solar power, you can generate your own electricity and become less reliant on the power grid. This means you won't be affected by power outages or price hikes. Increased property value: homes and businesses with solar power systems installed have higher property values and sell faster than those without. Government incentives: many governments offer incentives and tax breaks for those who install solar power systems, making it even more affordable. With so many advantages, going solar is the smart choice for a brighter future. Start your journey towards a sustainable energy source today and enjoy the benefits for years to come.